me and this double on bike. Because of NYC, I have been like
Aye. Machiavelli.
It's KGB.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, I'm just eating my stuff with Indomie. So I'm eating this Coke. I'm going to give you guys like a little tour behind like my filming setup. It's nothing fancy, obviously, but I just feel like people who have like small channels don't do this. So I'll just be showing you guys like what I do behind like makeup videos and stuff. So first of all, is this the guy here. So now I mount my phone here with the camera mount. Like I have it attached to my smaller tripod. Well, I just have this. And then you mount it here, and with this screw here, you can adjust it to however you want. So I usually do this, just like mount it, put the mount here, put my phone, and yeah. But if I don't want to use this, I use this. This is just like what's it called? It's just in random box, and then I'll just like set my smaller tripod on it. Voila. I use this. This is a cake pan. So I use this to reflect light. So you can see how it's reflecting light. You see, so I use this to reflect the light from the ring light, and I just keep it underneath my makeup, underneath like on the table like this when I'm filming. Okay, so for my backdrop, I use this curtain, and if I was filming during the day, because of this light, the video will be weird. So I don't film during the day. I never film makeup videos during the day. I always film at night. So the sun is down and there's no light behind, and it does not make the video look weird. So yeah. So that's that. And then it's have a chair. Yes. So now for my makeup setup. So this is the first layer. So I just have eye brushes, face brushes. I have eye brushes and face brushes, right? But then these eye brushes, they're like for powders. So like blush, powder, highlighter, all that stuff is here for processing. Then this one's are for cream. So you have like foundation brush, buffer brush, just cream stuff. Then I have my setting spray. I have the only two foundations I own. This is Maybelline in Truffle, and this is Lancome in 530 Susie. I also have this card there. Yeah, it's like a dewy mist, but I only use this for like body glitter. So now now this basket is like as old as I am probably. I just said to my husband and said to use it. So I just have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shadow palettes. I don't have a lot of action palettes. Ew! Shame. Going down. This is nice focus. Alright. So there I just put lips. Lipstick, lip gloss, lip creams, everything lips is in this. It's just like this disposable plate. I just put that there, and then this is just like it's a box. It opens like this is the top and this is the bottom. I put like powders here and one highlight here. Then here I put blushes, skincare, and random highlighters and random stuff. I also have my two beauty blenders there. Then here I just have like my 3 pair of lashes, bonding glue, glitters, and I just have like powder puff there. Then the last one here, I just have this makeup bag, so just like when I need to pack makeup, face wipe, then this stainless plates at the back. I use it as like a palette instead of putting products on my hands when I'm doing like other people's makeup. I did my sister's makeup a couple of days ago. I just used this to like put makeup instead of putting it at the back of my hand. Then I have a cotton wool here. So yeah. Okay, so this is just like the overview of my setup. Ring light, tripod, weird box, makeup table, chair, backdrop. So yes, so that's what I use to film. That's my filming setup. Okay, so I'm done with that. The reason I did this routine tour is because I love watching beauty tours and makeup tours and all that kind of stuff, and I just see how they have like a shit ton of makeup, a whole room, a whole beauty room. Like, who am I? And I just feel like small YouTubers don't do this kind of stuff. So yeah, so it's just you don't have to have everything, and you just have to use your head. Because for my brushes, I don't think I mentioned that, but I use disposable cups as my brush holder. Like, we're trying to cut costs, honey, so like, yeah. So anyway, so now I'm going to edit. I filmed this video. I'm sweating, there's no lights, this is hot. And I'm still going to get my nails done. You guys, I've been dreading because of NYC. I have been like, I don't want to do my nails and then the colors go to camp because of this whole corona stuff. But at this point, I cannot come and die, so I'll do the nails. If they ask us to go to camp, I'll go to camp with my nails. Okay? But yeah, I just want to do edit and I'll catch you guys. Quick story time. I went out. I bought zobo and I bought chicken pie. So I wanted to go and sit down, and then for some reason I forgot to eat Saturday because if you see the crowd of people, like there's no place for me to sit. I mean, there were empty chairs, but people were on the table and they were like in groups. So like I couldn't walk up to anybody's chair and just sit down. Like, why? So I carried my zobo. If you see me and this zobo on bike, I was just like, God, please, I'm wearing white shirt. Don't allow my enemies to laugh at me. It's okay, but it's not sweet. I hope I look cute because my edges are scattered. I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm fine. Oh my god, my nails. So I got gel nail polish. Honestly, this was not even like what I thought it was meant to be, but still, it's cute. Black. What? Like, I went to a restaurant. Like, I went to. What should I even call it? I went to a recreational somewhere, and I came back with what I bought because there's no seats for me to sit down. I got chicken pie. Thumbnail. Taste test. I like it. Let me give you guys a look at my nails and end vlog. See, so these are my nails. Honestly, black is making me feel a certain way. Like, I have an attitude, girl. So, I'm going to end this vlog here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, like, share, subscribe. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I swear I don't know how to act like. Alright, bye.